Hey my crew, how y'all doing today? If y'all are interested in seeing how y'all can receive a free turkey right before Thanksgiving, y'all just please continue watching.
Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know it weighs a ton, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine. You'll be fine.
Holidays are already stressful enough, right? We're trying to figure out who's going to bring what side dish. But the one thing that we should never have to worry about is the main course, which for Thanksgiving is going to be your turkey. ButcherBox offers 100% grass-fed beef and free-range organic chicken. The pork is raised cage-free and the wild-caught seafood is delivered directly to your door. If you sign up now, you will get a free turkey, all natural with no antibiotics ever, with your first ButcherBox order. I appreciated the way that the boxes came. Everything was completely frozen. I did not have to worry about anything being thawed out once we unboxed our ButcherBox. We want to say about 2 days from the day that my order was placed through the company that I'm working with. We received it. It did come directly to our door. The box was not smushed nor damaged. ButcherBox promises a high quality meat, unbeatable value. The average cost is less than $6 per meal. You have flexibility on your box options. It delivers frequencies that'll fit your needs. You can cancel at any time with no penalty. It is very convenient. And as I said, it's delivered directly to your doorstep and you get free shipping. I've just been showing you an overview of all the meats. Philip did cook the bacon and I recorded that video, so you and your kids can definitely check that out, or your grandkids, and y'all will truly enjoy. He's very animated and the bacon was really good, you guys. And as far as their protein, the beef is high quality, no antibiotics added. You have no hormones ever. It is naturally, it is humanely raised and 100% grass fed. Their chicken is also high quality, no antibiotics added or added hormones. It is natural and also humanely raised. The pork, again, high quality, no antibiotics or added hormones, also humanely raised. And then of course the salmon, high quality, no antibiotics, you guessed it, or no added hormones. It is all natural and it is wild caught. So now we're gonna go ahead on and jump into this turkey, which is the reason that y'all probably clicked on this video, to see how can I get a free turkey. So I'm about to tell y'all. Now, as I told y'all in the previous clips, you will receive a free turkey. This turkey will range between 11 to 14 pounds. It is all natural, all vegetable diet, no preservatives, raised without antibiotics, and complete traceability to the farm. The day that we got this turkey, we actually took it out and we had it in our refrigerator for 2 days before we cooked it, because we just didn't want to add it to water. But you can definitely do that. Whatever is safe for you that you would normally do, again, whatever is safe for you, you can either put it in cold water or just leave it out in your refrigerator. That's normally what we do a few days before we get ready to cook it. Y'all just make sure y'all check the description box below for all of the details, a direct link to ButcherBox, as well as any discounts that I may have for you guys.
we're gonna start at the breastplate, and we're gonna inject it. Okay, family, we're gonna simply take the celery and the onions, and we're gonna stuff it inside the turkey.
Y'all, this turkey was so good. If y'all are interested in seeing what we are doing now, I'll give you a little bit of hint. We are making a turkey salad. So we will have that video as well as a full detailed cooking video on the turkey on our channel, Cooking with the Crew. That is actually our third channel. The link is in the description box below. And like I said, y'all will get a full detail on this, on cooking the turkey as well as making the turkey salad. So y'all will get 2 bonus videos, and then 3 including when Philip was cooking the bacon. And like I said, that's more veered towards, you know, just family, yourself, your kids, if they want to watch, if you starting them to learn how to cook. Because my 10 soon to be 11 year old, he definitely is starting to get interested in how to cook certain meals on his own and be more independent. So right now, Jordan is just chopping up some of the turkey. He just took the skin off of it and deboned half of it. The other half we did have for Sunday dinner with some sides, and it will be going into the food processor. So like I said, if y'all want to see the rest of the video, y'all just go over and check that link in the description box below, and y'all will see it. I appreciate ButcherBox so much for sending us out these amazing products, and we will also show you some of the reviews when we cook the other items, the pork, because we're not big on pork, but if we're gonna do it, we want to do it as healthy as possible. So we are going to show you guys that, along with some good old juicy burgers that's going to be on the grill. We're going to spice it up and show you how to make different soups and stuff, because it is starting to get cold. We're going to do some pulled pork and just, you know, a few different things. Like I said, it just kind of jazz it up and spice stuff up, and how to show you how to remix certain meals. So you're going to have a lot that's going to be coming up, and it will be all from ButcherBox. So once again, we would like to thank them for collaborating with us and sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure y'all please go check them out. Let them know that we sent you guys. Use my link in any discount codes that we will have, and y'all get y'all free turkey. Get y'all a free turkey, because we need it, okay? We need it with the Thanksgiving and stuff coming up. So we will see you guys later. Thank y'all for watching. We love you all, and we will see you all soon. Have a great day, guys.
And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love.